Hello and welcome to this Nexttut Education Houdini Helicopter Landing Dynamic Vegetation and Wind course. My name is Shahzad and I will be your instructor throughout this course. We will start this project off by importing helicopter model, and we will prepare our helicopter model for animation, and we will use jobs to animate our helicopter model, and then we will import plants and vegetation into our scene and prepare them for simulation. And we will use wire solver to create dynamic vegetation simulation. And for the grass, we will use warps to procedurally generate wind for the grass. We're not going to simulate grass, but we will use procedural approach for the grass wind. And then we will take a look at how to install Side Effects Labs tools, and I will give you a brief overview of Side Effects Labs tree tools. And we will take a look at how we can procedurally generate bamboo trees with Side Effects Labs tree tools. And then we will prepare a tree skeleton for dynamic simulation, and we will use wire solver for tree simulation. And we will use volume velocities to create custom wind force for trees. And then we will import simulated wires into SOPs, and we will take a look at how we can capture and deform our original tree model. And then we will take a look at instancing techniques, how we can add per point instance variation to randomly copy trees instances. And then we will use loops to add time variation to each of these animated trees instances. And then we will use the pyro solver to create a ground dust simulation. And in here we will take a look at pyro sourcing, how we generate ground dust source. And at the end we will import all of our geometry and instances into Solaris for rendering. And in here we will see how we can import instances into Solaris and how we can apply shaders to our instances. And it's going to be a lot of fun. I am super excited to start this course, so let's get right into it.